In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut image in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to Pixel up top, and then you want to go to the third tool over here, which is going to be this selection brush tool. So right click here, and then just basically select the selection brush tool. And then you want to zoom into your image to where you actually want to cut it. So let's say I want to cut these two people out of this image over here. Of course, I'm not going to do it very precisely. I'm just going to show you how to actually navigate it. I'm going to select this width to be a little less to make it easier. There we go, just like this, let's say, okay. And then you can just go ahead and just drag on, and as you can see, it's going to, whenever I click, automatically kind of select this person over here. If you want to adapt different parts here, what you can do is just go ahead and drag, holding down your shift key or even without it. And if you hold down the shift key, it's going to keep on adding, but if you actually hold down your alt key, it's going to remove, okay. So it's going to subtract from your selection here. So let's say I want this not to be added onto my selection, but I want this part of the shoe. I could just go ahead, zoom in, and then kind of refine that. And that's going to do for this tutorial, okay? So that's that. And then let's say I want to do the same for this lady as well. Here I can just click, there we go. It's going to basically roughly select her. And let's just say this is okay for now. And then what you can do is just basically cut it out by doing Control C, Control V, and you will get a exact replica, and you can then place it wherever you want, okay? So as you can see, this now I can place it anywhere here. It's going to look quite legit actually, even though I did it very, very quickly. And yeah, that's how you can basically do it. You could also go ahead and delete it. So as I said, the easiest way is to Control C, Control V, which will paste them, but you could also go ahead and whenever you have this selected, you could press your delete button. It's going to remove it or whatever, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.